So now we will talk about the dental formula for adults. So in my previous video I talked about the dental formula for the infants, and I hope that this is clear to you. So now we'll talk about the dental formula for adults. So the formula over here is 2 1 2 3. So formula over here is 2 1 2 3 over 2 1 2 3 multiply by 2. So this is the general formula which you have to learn. By learning this just general formula, you'll be easily able to find out that how many number of this teeth is present in our mouth, or how many actual number of teeth are present. So I hope last time we talked about the order, right? I hope you have learned that order. First of all, we have to incisors, canines, incisors, canines, premolars, and then we are having molars, right? By this sequence you have to learn. So first of all, here it will come I2, C1, PM2, M3. Same over here, I2, C1, PM2, M3 multiply by 2, right? So now we will multiply this. 2 2s are 4, I4, C2, PM4, M6, right? Over here then, I4, C2, PM4, M6. Right, now we have multiplied, now we will add them. Now 4 plus 4 is equal to I8, C4, PM8, M12. So by this formula we know that there are 8 incisors, there are 4 canines, there are 8 premolars and 12 molars. So now let's add them. Eight plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 is equal to 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 12 is 30. Is 32. So total number of teeth in adults are 32. So there are 32 teeth, in which 8 are incisors, 4 canines, 8 molars, 12 molars and 8 premolars. Like 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 molars and 8 premolars and 12 molars, right? There are 8 premolars and 12 molars, right? So this is a general formula by, okay. Now if there is a question that in humans which teeth are monophyodont, like which teeth are monophyodont, so we know, we discussed that in milk teeth or deciduous teeth, in milk teeth premolars are not present, right? Premolars are not present. Premolars are where? Premolars are in permanent teeth. And how many premolars are there? There are 8 premolars, right? There are 8 premolars, right? So it means that in humans premolars are monophyodont plus wisdom teeth. Plus wisdom teeth is also monophyodont. So how many monophyodont are there in humans? There are 2 monophyodont, premolars and wisdom. So there are 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars, right? So let me explain you by using a diagram over here. As you can see over here in this figure, so these are the incisors, then we are having canines, right? We are having canines over here, then these are premolars, right? This is the first premolar, right? Over here it's the first premolar, then we are having molars in the last. As you can see over here, canine is here, first molar, third molar, second molar, first molar, second premolar, canine is here, first molar. So you can easily see the permanent teeth, right? So let's recall the function of these teeth. So incisors is responsible for so incisors is responsible for cutting, right? It is responsible for cutting purpose. Canines are responsible for tearing. Premolars and molars are responsible for grinding plus chewing. Okay, so what's the gentle formula of for humans? For dead adults 2123, for infants or for children 2102. So I hope this concept is clear to you. Like there are 4 canines, 8 incisors, 8 premolars and 12 molars in humans, right? And this is the formula.